with the group discussion process of Reliance GCS. Now I am going to share you how we are going to conduct this group discussion. So basically, I shared with you we have as based on our schedule from 9th of August to 31st, we are following a 7 day plan. And on a 7 day plan, from first 3 days, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, you are here for your narration and your group discussion. So out of 3 out of 7 day, we are practicing the group discussion, and this process will going to continue till your interview. But the main thing, again, I'm mentioning some timeline. Till 31st, you will have 1 hour session based on your narration and your group discussion. But after 31, till your MAT exam, you will have 2 hour session. One, the same 7 day plan, and the second one, your MAT syllabus. Then after, from your MAT exam to your interview, again, there will be 2 hour session, 1 hour, the same, uh, this communication, and the second half consists of interview readiness and psych. So based on our experience, we already defined your schedule, and this is a purely structured program. So now for some instruction and some tips and major mistakes, myths and blunders. So we're done with the Reliance GCS process. I shared you the selection ratio. Now I also shared you what we are going to cover in this session. Now the main and the most important part, if I have to define group discussion within 2 words, so I can say for corporate and for Reliance GCS, two thing. First is your Sahnshilta, and second is your Vinarmata. I hope you are aware of the two terms, and you know the meaning of two terms. I hope you know the meaning of Vinarmata, and you know the meaning of Sahnshilta. So basically, these are the root of group discussion. If you have these two things inside you, then most probably you are going to cover up the group discussion part. But for group discussion in this particular interview, first you have to prepare for it, and it's not only you have to practice for it and all. No, you are supposed to be well groomed. Even in government interviews, you are not supposed to be. I mean, grooming matters more in corporate than government. So if you are dressed well, uh, for male, clean shave and a decent haircut, and a good formal, properly ironed. Again, in short, I'm going to mention some grooming criteria like purely formal shirt, four buttons should be visible, color of your belt should be matched with your shoes, and if you are more physical fit, then it will be good for you because your backbone structure uh, will raise your confidence also. So this is about the pre-phase. You can prepare for a group discussion by maintaining your grooming. Then the next part, uh, for group discussion, the most important thing is practice, because even if you are good in grammar, even if you are good in vocab, it doesn't matter, because for group discussion you should have spirit to participate in group, and practice is the best way. So you are here, you can practice for group discussion, and then after definitely you will succeed. Even we will point out your mistakes, and we will help you in your uh, kind of, you can say, personality building for your group discussion. So for group discussion, raise your hand if you think you don't get any point, you stuck in group discussion. If any of you feel you stuck in group discussion, आपको कोई point आता ही नहीं है दिमाग में, आप blank हो जाते हो, then raise your hand. Okay, so now maybe you are not, maybe you are confident now, but after a group discussion some of you felt okay, mankush, see, that's a very very important thing, and a very good quality. Because if you are accepting your mistake, it means you have good self introspection. If you are accepting your mistake, then definitely you can improve it. If you are not accepting your mistake, then you are stuck. So now I am going to share you some most important point for your group discussion. And for group discussion, if any of you stuck, by the way, for consecutive next 20 days, we are going to provide you group discussion topic, previously asked group discussion topic, and you are supposed to speak on it. So for group discussion part, first and the most important thing, you should have patience. Patience means if someone is speaking, you have to listen. You're supposed to be good listener. Okay, you should have some patience. Don't argue. Don't argue, don't fight. Don't make a fish market. So now the next part, मन कुछ अगर आप ब्लैंक हो जाते हो ग्रुप डिस्कशन में, तो आपको सीधा सीधा एक काम करना है, कोई भी टॉपिक ले लो। हम एग्जांपल के लिए 3 टॉपिक ले लिया हमने। सोशल मीडिया ले लिया, एआई ले लिया, या फिर हमने ले लिया ग्लोबल वार्मिंग। बिल्कुल बेस बेस लेवल के अगर आपको मैं टॉपिक से अगर आपको एग्जांपल लेके मैं बताऊं, सबसे पहले क्या करो, पहला पॉइंट आपका जनरेट होगा, जस्ट रिलेटेड विद योर डेली लाइफ। अगर मैं आपको बोलूं कि आप ग्लोबल वार्मिंग को अगर आप रिलेट करो डेली लाइफ में, देन श्योरली यू विल कनेक्ट कि सर टेम्परेचर रेज हो रहा है, टेम्परेचर हमारे आसपास जो है इतना हाई हो जाता है, हीट। और अगर मैं एआई का करूँ तो आप डेली उससे भी आप उसको भी आप एक पॉइंट बता सकते हो डेली लाइफ से रिलेट करके, कि हम डेली लाइफ में एआई का छोटे छोटे काम में यूज़ कर लेते हैं, हमारा टाइम बचता है। या फिर अगर मैं आपको बताऊं कि कोई भी एन नंबर ऑफ टॉपिक है, उसमें अगर आप उसे डेली लाइफ से रिलेट करोगे तो आपका फर्स्ट पॉइंट जनरेट हो जाएगा। सो फर्स्ट ट्राई टू रिलेट इट विद योर डेली लाइफ। डेली लाइफ में उसकी क्या एप्लीकेशन है, डेली लाइफ में उसकी क्या इंपॉर्टेंस है, या डेली लाइफ में वो कहाँ यूज़ हो रहा है। फर्स्ट पॉइंट डेली लाइफ। सेकेंड पॉइंट प्रोन्स एंड कॉन्स, मतलब फ़ायदे और नुकसान। अगर आपका नेगेटिव, इफ़ योर टॉपिक इज़ ऑलरेडी नेगेटिव, देन इट विल you can definitely go for negative point. But if your point is neutral, if your topic is neutral, so make sure you start with positive point. हर चीज़ की नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव साइड होती है। गो एंड स्टार्ट विद पॉजिटिव साइड, देन यू कैन मेंशन नेगेटिव ऑल्सो। बट इफ द टॉपिक इज ऑलरेडी नेगेटिव, लाइक आप देख सकते हो कि इसमें डिफोरेस्टेशन हो गया इनकेस अगर आपका, बाय द वे आई एम जस्ट टेकिंग अ लोअर लेवल ऑफ टॉपिक फॉर यू, जस्ट टू टेक एन एग्जाम्पल। तो अगर जैसे कोई टॉपिक है डिफोरेस्टेशन, डिफोरेस्टेशन इज इटसेल्फ अ नेगेटिव थिंग, तो इसमें आपको नेगेटिव ही बोलना है। बट कुछ ऐसा है जिसमें पॉजिटिव है, जैसे कि सोशल मीडिया हैव पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव बोथ पॉइंट्स। सो इफ योर टॉपिक हैव बोथ पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव, देन गो विद पॉजिटिव पॉइंट फर्स्ट, एंड देन लेटर इफ यू वांट यू कैन मेंशन नेगेटिव ऑल्सो। So first thing you have to relate it with your daily life. Second thing you have to go for pros and cons. Pros and cons means फायदे नुकसान। And third thing you have to relate with government, what government is doing in particular scenario। अगर टॉपिक सोशल मीडिया का है तो उसमें भी गवर्नमेंट कर रही है कुछ चीज़ें, रेगुलेशन गवर्नमेंट लेके आ रही है। एआई का है तो एआई में भी गवर्नमेंट रेगुलेशन लेके आ रही है। अगर आपका टॉपिक ग्लोबल वार्मिंग का है तो भी आप बता सकते हो कि भाई जो फॉरेस्टेशन हो रही है, या फिर ग्रीन गो ग्रीन प्रोग्राम है, कुछ भी आप मेंशन कर सकते हो कि गवर्नमेंट क्या कर रही है। एंड द फोर्थ पॉइंट दैट इज योर व्हाट यू कैन डू फॉर इट एट योर इंडिविजुअल लेवल। आप अपने स्तर पे उसके लिए क्या कर सकते हो। जैसे कि अगर आपका टॉपिक अगेन सेम, अगर मैं एग्जांपल लेके चलूँ तो एआई, तो उसमें आप ऐसा कर सकते हो कि आप एआई का जो है एआई पे खुद से डिपेंडेंसी ना क्रिएट करो। और आप एआई के लिए क्या कर सकते हो, अगर एआई का आपका टॉपिक आया कि एआई हमारे लिए बेनिफिशियल है या नहीं है, तो आप ऐसा कर सकते हो कि एआई को अपनी सेंसिटिव इन्फॉर्मेशन ना शेयर करो, या एआई की का आप यूज़ जब ज़्यादा नीड हो आप जब ही करो। इजी टास्क परफॉर्म करने के लिए आप खुद से ही कर लो। तो उसमें फोर्थ पे आप रिलेट करोगे कि हाउ व्हाट यू कैन डू एट योर इंडिविजुअल लेवल। सो आई एम गिविंग यू फोर, यू कैन से अ फोर डोमेन, 4 टिप्स। अगर आप किसी भी टॉपिक में स्टक कर जाते हो, देन फर्स्ट रिलेटेड विद योर डेली लाइफ, सेकंड रिलेटेड विद योर प्रोन्स एंड कॉन्स, थर्ड रिलेटेड विद योर गवर्नमेंट, व्हाट गवर्नमेंट इज डूइंग इन दिस फील्ड, एंड फोर्थ व्हाट यू कैन डू एट इंडिविजुअल लेवल। अगर आप बिल्कुल स्टक हो जाते हो, देन रिमाइंड दिस रूल, इवन आई विल राइट इट फॉर यू इन अ ग्रुप, इन अ पर्टिकुलर ग्रुप। और ये आपका रास्ता रहेगा, एंड इट विल डेफिनेटली मूव यू आउट फ्रॉम योर ब्लैंक मूवमेंट। अगर आप स्ट्रक कर जाते हो तो ये पॉइंट अगर आप इस डायरेक्शन में अगर आप सोचोगे, देन डेफिनेटली यू विल हैव सम पॉइंट्स। सो नाउ वी हैव, हेलो शुभी,
हेलो सर।
mention 4 domain what I recently mentioned।
सर पहले
सोचो, आप बताओ, सोच के बता सकते हो।
सर पॉजिटिव पॉइंट्स बोल रहे हैं, उसके नेगेटिव पॉइंट्स बोल रहे हैं,
हम्म।
और डेली लाइफ से हमें अपनी उसको कंपेयर करना है,
हम्म।
और गवर्नमेंट उसके लिए क्या क्या स्टेप्स ले रही है वो बताना है।
हम्म। और और हम इंडिविजुअल लेवल पे क्या कर सकते हैं। Okay, thank you. See, you if you already have good points, you can mention. It will be good for you. अगर आपके पास पहले से पॉइंट है, मेंशन करो. बट इफ यू स्ट्रक देन दिस इज यू कैन से अ चीट कोड. इस डायरेक्शन में अगर आप सोचोगे और अगर आप किसी टॉपिक पे ब्लैंक हो तो भी आपके माइंड में पॉइंट्स आ जाएंगे. तो आई होप इट्स क्लियर फ्रॉम माय साइड. यस. कुछ
सर अगर हमारे पॉइंट्स कोई और बोल दे तो क्या करेंगे?
अगर आपके पॉइंट कोई और बोल दे देन व्हाट यू हैव टू डू. गुड पॉइंट.
यस
नाउ
सर.
वन मोर थिंग. कुछ सपोज इफ यू डोंट हैव एनी पॉइंट, आपके सारे पॉइंट किसी ने कवर कर दिए हैं.
यस सर.
जस्ट you know the simple rule, short crisp sentence. So just try to summarize the all the points of the group. अगर किसी ने 4 पॉइंट बोले हैं, किसी ने 3 पॉइंट बोले हैं, then you have to concise this 5 to 6 point in a single line. Now I am giving you example. Suppose if I am talking about uh, now the topic is which one is better, government school or private school.
गवर्नमेंट स्कूल.
Okay, if you think government is better, then in some aspects like government provide midday meal scheme, government is free, government school is free of cost, have qualified staff, and provide other extracurricular activities like sports ground and all. Okay, so now in different way I can say government school provide midday meal, extracurricular activities, facilities, zero fees. So I have to condense all 3 to 4 point in a one go. So if your point is repeated by someone, so just go with a point where this is your presence of mind. Then use your presence of mind and just concise all the points.
ओके सर.
By the way, if you are going for practice, and most probably you will find the same topic. And one more thing, most of you around 80%, because your 70% to 80% of topic repeats. सो अगेन इट विल गिव यू एज. अगर आप कंसिस्टेंट हो, आप ग्रुप में हो, तो आपको वो इन्फॉर्मेशन भी साथ के साथ मिल सकती है जो कि आपके लिए बेनिफिशियल रहेगी. यू विल बी मेंटली प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर ग्रुप डिस्कशन टॉपिक. एंड इवन वी विल प्रोवाइड यू मोर देन 30 to 40 टॉपिक्स. एंड it will definitely do a brainstorming for you, and you will have enough points to speak. So it will not an issue for you, but you have to be consistent. You have to use your presence of mind. You should use your common sense, and just go with the practice. And because if you are practicing, it will give you confidence. And if you are confident, then you are definitely in. But you should have patience also. Even if you are brilliant, even if you are more intelligent, but you lost your patience, then you are out. Because based on our experience, some of SSB repeaters, some of very qualified candidate got group discussion out just because they don't have patience. Even if you have good critical thinking, you have good knowledge, still you will be out if you don't have patience. Because in corporate you have acceptance also. So this is about group discussion, and in group discussion you have to respect the other's point also, and you should not counter. If the point is really stupid, then you can politely add your knowledge and politely add your opinion, but don't try to do it. So this is about the group discussion part. Again, the for the group discussion summary, these two words, Sanshilta or Vinarmata. So these are the point. By the way, we already built a playlist on YouTube, and there will be a number of videos. And for last batch, and it will be again beneficial for you also if you have time, so you can go and watch the video. Even today I'm going to share a video for group discussion also. I mean, I already uploaded for 34th batch, so I can share to you. You can also watch. It will definitely helpful for you also. So this is about the group discussion part. And for group discussion, what they are looking for: first they are looking for uh, candidate who are good listener, have patience, and a good grooming, acceptance, and a decent knowledge, Basically, they are not going to check your knowledge. Your group discussion topic will be opinion based. You have to share your opinion. So knowledge is not, it's not like you have to read n number of newspaper, you have to summarize all the data. No, it's not about the knowledge and current affair and gk. This is about how you express your opinions. So basically this is about the group discussion part, and these are some instructions from my side. And what you have to do, you have to first you have to be well groomed, and second you have to practice as much you can. Third, you have to respect the others point also, and you are supposed to be good listener. You should have some patience, and you have to be just go and politely deliver your points, and it will be good for you, and it is enough for you. So this is about the group discussion part. So now from the today onwards, we are going to start a group discussion practice, and these are some instructions from my side. Even Divya ma'am will share you some more instructions, and even she will guide you, she will correct you and help you in your regular practice. So this is all about myself, my side, and thank you. And yes, anyone, if anyone have any kind of doubt, you can raise your hand and ask to me. And one more thing, we have PDF guide specially designed for this whole process. We will share to you. Yes, Chandan, Hansraj, Kajal, Kush, Mankush, Shubhi, Dev, Aman, Komal, Harshvardhan, Surya, Shivam. Any of you have any doubt till now?
Sir, syllabus format exam.
Komal, don't worry about MAT exam. By the way, definitely I'm going to share the syllabus for MAT exam also. And syllabus for reasoning is mentioned in the reasoning, and math is already mentioned. I shared to you in a group. By the way, for remains, I will share today. Any other
Okay,
doubt,
sir.
Komal?
No, sir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Yes, anyone, any other doubt? Apart from